Welcome to Gateway Church. We want you to understand the heart of Gateway and how it relates to you and the way we serve our guests. Gateway's purpose is to help people develop an intimate relationship with God. To fulfill this purpose, our vision is to see people saved, healed, set free, discipled, equipped, empowered, and serving. Gateway's mission is to help each person believe in Jesus, belong to a family, become a follower, and build God's kingdom. Food and beverages are significant to God and central to his relationship with humanity. Jesus referenced food 1,207 times in his teachings. His first documented miracle was related to beverage. He fed multitudes during his ministry, and after his resurrection, he cooked breakfast for his disciples. Food and beverage services at Gateway seek to mirror the heart of Jesus. He used food, beverage, and the service surrounding it to express his love and care by meeting tangible physical needs with equality, extravagant stewardship, and excellence. Jesus was relevant. Jesus and the early church fed people to meet their physical needs without letting it overshadow their mission. Jesus was servant-minded. Jesus served his disciples and ate the same food as them. Jesus was excellent. When he created food and beverages, they were of the highest quality. Always more than enough, yet nothing went to waste. As cafe and food services team members, we create a welcoming atmosphere by removing any physical barriers that might prevent people from receiving all that God has for them during a service, event, or equip class. Good food and a great cup of coffee help people feel more at home. When people are not distracted by hunger, thirst, or caffeine withdrawal, they engage better with church activities, gaining intimacy and freedom in Christ. Our hospitality paves the way for people to receive ministry better. Therefore, our cafe and food services mission statement is to help each guest take one step closer to a more intimate relationship with God through creating a warm and welcoming environment where delicious, high-quality food and beverages are served with exceptional care and hospitality. At Gateway Church, we believe each person is created in God's image, possessing an eternal soul, and is so valuable that Jesus came to earth to live a perfect life and die on their behalf. We always strive to remember the importance of each person to God. Our cafe and food services motto is, "Every guest deserves my best." We are committed to serving with excellence, always mindful of who we serve and who we represent. As a Gateway Church team member, you have responsibilities to the church, your fellow team members, and your manager. These include arriving on time, being ready to work and putting in a full work day, committing to living out a biblical lifestyle 24 hours a day, treating team members with kindness and respect, and working with your manager to address problems or concerns. The most effective method for resolving a problem is discussing it with your manager. If you feel you have not been treated in line with church policy, we encourage you to bring it to your oversight. We are here to help. Colossians 3:22 through 25 reminds us to work diligently for our real master, God. Do your best, work from the heart, and remember that being a follower of Jesus doesn't excuse poor work. Our social covenant sets Gateway apart from many work environments and creates a place where you will want to come to work. We commit to love, value, respect, and protect each other. We choose to fully invest in relationships by listening to each other, encouraging and affirming each other, offering, soliciting, and receiving honest feedback, believing the best motives, resolving conflict with forgiveness and reconciliation, being vulnerable and teachable with each other, and reproducing ourselves in others. We also choose to empower relationships fully by trusting each other within healthy boundaries, challenging constraints and engaging in healthy confrontation, developing potential in each other which results in personal growth, walking in unity with grace and truth, focusing on the tasks at hand, being accountable to produce fruitful returns, and extending the opportunity to dream and have fun. As we wrap up this part of your orientation, remember these things. Your role at Gateway helps others develop their relationship with Christ. strive to live biblically, and follow our social covenant to foster the best possible work environment. We are excited to have you on our team and are here to support you in every way we can. Thank you for completing this first step in your Gateway training. We look forward to serving alongside you.